Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the watch and exposing the clasp. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch the crystal, and position a tray to catch tiny parts. Use a magnifier if available. You need to see the clasp spring bars and micro-adjust holes clearly. Once aligned, use the spring bar tool to lift the clasp cover and free the tension bar. This opens the bracelet so you can access removable links and pins for sizing or full removal. Next, you remove the links that make the bracelet too long. Find the arrow-marked links and support the band on a plastic block so pins can exit cleanly. With a pin pusher or thin punch aligned to the pin, push in the arrow direction using steady pressure or light taps. This prevents bending pins. Once a pin clears, pull it with tweezers and remove the link. Make sure to keep pins and links in order so you can restore exactly which side they came from later. To finish, you rejoin the bracelet and reset the pins so the watch sits correctly. Line the link holes, insert the pin from the non-arrow side, and press or gently tap until it's flush and the clasp snaps closed. Try the watch on, make sure it hangs comfortably. Tighten or remove one link if it slides too much. If a pin won't seat, stop. Misalignment can bend it. Instead, back out the pin, realign the links, or replace the pin to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.